Don't you just hate it when you send out a bunch of proposals and hear nothing back? Infuriating, isn't it? Well, here's how to fix that. My name's Andy and I've made over $85,000 on Fiverr and Upwork, and I run Kraken Media, a six-figure creative agency. Today, I'm going to share all my secrets on how to write killer proposals that get massive responses from new leads. Let's dive in. First things first, your proposal needs to grab their attention. How do you do that? Address their pain point right off the bat. If a potential client reads your proposal and thinks, wow, this guy really gets my problem, you're halfway there. For example, if they're struggling with low engagement on their social media platform, start by saying, hey, I noticed your engagement rates could be better. That's a common issue, and here's how we can fix that. This approach shows empathy and understanding. You're not just another vendor, you're someone who cares about solving their specific problem. Next up, you need to build trust, and the fastest way to do that is through social proof. Share how you've solved similar problems for other clients. Include feedback, testimonials, and case studies. For example, we've helped XYZ company increase their social media engagement by 200% in just 3 months. And they said working with Kraken Media was a game changer. I know it's easy to overlook collecting reviews and case studies, but it is well worth asking your client how much you helped them and getting some tangible numbers. This isn't just for bragging rights, it's showing potential clients that you have a proven track record. If you can solve problems for others, you can solve theirs too. Now let's talk about risk reversal. Clients are always worried about what happens if things don't work out. Ease their minds by including a risk reversal statement. Something like, if you're not satisfied with the initial results within the first 30 days, we'll work for free until you are. This shows you're confident in your work and willing to stand by it. You're giving your prospect confidence in the outcome. It's all about reducing the perceived risk on their end. Make them feel safe and secure about choosing you. Then give them a broad idea of how you plan to achieve their desired results. But don't go into too much detail just yet. Keep it high level. For example, I will start by analyzing your current social media strategy, identifying gaps, and implementing targeted content that speaks directly to your audience. The key here is to pique their intrigue. Get them curious, just curious enough to reply. You want them to feel like you have a plan, but you're not giving away the farm for free. Just enough to show you know what you're talking about. Finally, end with a strong call to action. Make it really clear what you want them to do and make it as easy for them to do it as possible. Ideally, push for a discovery call. Say something like, oh, I'd love to have a quick chat to understand your needs fully before preparing a formal proposal. You can schedule a call with them through Calendly, or if you're on Fiverr or Upwork, schedule it on there. Just make it as easy and convenient for them to take the next step as possible. The goal is to get them on a call where you can further build rapport and tailor your proposal to their specific need. Now, this is the most important step that so many people overlook. Follow up. If you don't hear back, don't just sit there. Send a polite follow-up message. Just something like, oh, hey, just wanted to check in, see if you had a chance to review my proposals. What questions did you have? I'm excited about the opportunity to work with you and would love to discuss it further. Persistence actually shows that you're serious and dedicated. Remember, the fortune is in the follow-up. Don't let a potential lead slip through the cracks because you didn't reach out again. Alright, there you have it. Address their pain point, provide social proof, include a risk reversal statement, outline a broad idea of your solution, and end with a strong call to action. And don't forget to follow up. Use this structure and I guarantee you'll start seeing better responses to your proposals. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more tips, and let's start turning those proposals into paid projects. Thanks for watching.